Hey, all of you dynamite people. It is Thursday, November 9th, 2023, and this is Dave, and I'm going to do my first box break video ever. I've been waiting years to start doing these, and I'm going to do multiple box break videos. And today's video is going to be on the Terminator 3 box here. If you can see this here. This is the hobby box, Terminator 3 hobby box. And the key card in this one is signed an autographed Arnold Schwarzenegger card. That's the one I'm going to be chasing. It's several $1,000s if I happen to hit one. And this is the hobby box. It has 36 packs or 7 cards per pack. There are some retail packs out there with 11 cards per pack. You have no chance at Arnold Schwarzenegger in those. You also have a chance to hit the signed Kristana Loken card as well. Those are the 2 key cards in this box. I got this box a few years back from an eBay dealer named Jordan Carpenter. He's out of Ohio. And the box is in mint condition. All the corners are square on this. So we're going to start opening these packs up and see what happens and see if I can't hit a Arnold Schwarzenegger today. The cost on these boxes, there are not many of them out there left that are unopened like this. These are from the 2003 Comic Images. They go for as high as a couple $100 a box, down to maybe 100 and some change if you can find them. They're very difficult to find anymore. I've been waiting a few years to do this. It's very exciting. Again, there's 36 packs per box. I'm going to open up the packs in the front left corner first. Cut them open with scissors very carefully that I don't cut the cards in there. Last thing we'd want to do is cut through a $2,000 Arnold Schwarzenegger card. There are foil insert cards you can get in these as well as costume cards, but the costume cards are in the form of a redemption card and they have expired. You can no longer send those in for the costume cards. And there's 3 different ones of those, and I have 2 sets of them. Gonna go ahead and open up the first pack here. There's 7 cards per pack. And they're beautiful cards. These are very nice cards here. I'll kind of show some of them there for you. No signed Schwarzenegger in this one. There is one signed card in it. The special effects director, Stan Winston, he signed the back of the card. All the rest of the autographs are on the front of the card. So I got nothing in that first pack. Second pack. Nothing in that. Very nice cards, though. Very, you can tell this box was stored well. Very nice, very nice. Third pack here. Okay, no autographs in that pack either. No inserts, no foil cards. Okay, fourth pack. You know, autographs are randomly inserted. You may get 0, you may get 3 hits per box, it says on the box. Now here's a Stan Winston card. This is the one that's signed by Stan Winston, if you can see that one. It's signed on the back. And there's no autograph on that, so I don't have a autograph card yet, still. Okay. Fifth pack here. And there's a card in here, obviously by Arnold Schwarzenegger, that's unsigned, and I will show that to you when it comes up. Nice cards, real nice cards, real nice, real clean, mint condition. Boy, beautiful cards, just beautiful cards. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Seventh pack in that row of 9. There's 4 times 9, 4 rows of 9 packs in this box. And we're only on the first row right now. There's Kate Brewster. Kate Brewster, she was in the movie. That was her character name. There's Kristana Loken. Kristana has a signed card in this too. There's Kristana. She signs at a lot of shows. I guess she's really a nice person. There's another card of Kristana. If I can get that there where you can see it good. Beautiful, beautiful person. Okay, this is the 9th pack here. Okay, no signed card. We're going to go through the next 9. The front 9 on the front right of the box. Hard to say where the production line in the printing company. I used to be a printing pressman for almost 8 years, and you just never know where they're going to collate them. They may not necessarily put them all in the same place in the box. They're randomly inserted. Years back, you used to be able to get them where they would, sometimes they would collate them in the, I know in sports cards, they collate them in the same place sometimes, many times in the box. Who knows how that's figured, how they insert them in there to work on the production line. If maybe they were drinking the night before, and you're going to get them different throughout the case, wherever they're at. Who knows? Okay. All right, here goes the first pack here in the second row. There's Arnold Schwarzenegger, nice card. Okay, no autographs in that pack, nothing. Now this is an interesting card here. This is a card of the cast. And this is Kate Brewster. I'll try to pull that where you can see it good. Or you can. That's Kate Brewster on the left, Arnold Schwarzenegger, and then Nick Stahl, who played John Connor. That's a card where they're kind of behind the scenes making the movie there. Cool card. My understanding, Nick Stahl undercame a horrific drug problem. And as many actors often run into problems with alcohol and drugs. Okay, no autograph cards in that one. Okay, none in there. Yeah, again, these are from the 2003 Comic Images cards. They're very nice cards. They're in beautiful shape. There's a nice card of Kristanna Loken there too in the movie there. You'll see that. That's a nice one. Oh, nothing in that. I'm on the 7-pack second row there. Still haven't found the unsigned card of Arnold Schwarzenegger, the one that he signs, but there's many unsigned ones in the boxes as well. Well, I'm sure I'll likely get one in this box. There's one here of Nick Stahl here, and he signed these. They were actually inserted, I believe, as box toppers, though, not in these packs, and I have at least 9 signed cards of John Connor. Okay, last pack in this second row here, still nothing. Ah, I got an insert card. This is a foil card here. They're nice cards. And this is C1 on the back. It's marked C1. There's, I believe, a 6-card set, and I have at least 1 or 2 sets of these already. But I got an insert. Hey, I got an insert card. 1 pack here. This is like the 3rd Stan Winston card I got that's unsigned. This is the one that he signs on the back here. Again, I showed this to you before there. I get the glare out of the light there. Yeah, that's like the 3rd one of those I got. No signed card yet. Okay, gotta go to the 3rd row now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 there. Got 2 more rows. Yeah, I'll just do the first 5 in this row here. Slow him down just a little bit here. And nothing in that pack there. Oh my God, you're not going to believe this. You are not going to believe this. I cannot believe this. My God, I got the autographed Arnold Schwarzenegger in Jordan Carpenter's box. This card is going in upwards of $2,000. I cannot believe this, folks. I was worried if I got this card, I was going to pass out or die of a cardiac arrest if I pulled this. Let me show you the back of it. Oh my God. You guys, this is incredible. Can you see it says at the bottom, this card is signed by Arnold Schwarzenegger, the Terminator. I cannot believe he only signed, I believe, 300 of these, and they're rare. Oh my God, I've got the complete collection now. This is absolutely incredible. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. This is, oh my goodness. I've been trying to find this card to buy it, and there's one person on eBay right now that has this card for $5,000. I cannot believe that. And oh my God, this is in really, I think it's going to grade. It's in really pretty good shape. Some of them have real rough edges around the edges, where you can see the white. Mine is pretty good, and they're the highest graded. The highest graded cards by PSA are a 7. And one of my friends, Brad Boob, has this card, and it lives out on the East Coast, I believe Maryland, and he paid $2,000 for it and had PSA slab it for another $200. Incredible. This is absolutely incredible. I cannot believe that I pulled that card. I cannot believe that's the one. That's the granddaddy of them all. I cannot believe I pulled that. It is. My God has been so good to me. I'm going to tell you right now, if I can make it till December 12th, 1988, I'm going to have 35 years clean and sober. And my recovery means number one to me. And I have a relentless higher power, and this is just absolutely incredible. I'm flabbergasted. I'm going to stop this video right here. Thank you. I'll be back again to do another video with you. I hope you enjoyed this video.